Good morning, beautiful day where I am, and I'm filming into the back of my car. Not my car, but you know what I mean. We are going into a town called Albury for something. Wow, my arm extends farther, and I look like freaking Stickman. Alright, well, we're going into town. There's a mosquito on my arm. Let's see what happens. Hello, good morning, hello. It is Tuesday the 3rd, and this is a vlog. No shit. Okay, this is an RC helicopter. That's my cat. Let's see what happens when we mix the two together. Time to play some Porter.
Teeth! Give me teeth!
Hang on.
Give me teeth!
Ah! No! Wrong!
I'm a scat man!
Alright, so I tried something new. What I did, it's like cinnamon toast, but there's I took 2 pieces of bread, put butter and cinnamon sugar on it, on both slices of bread, then put slices of apple in between them and put them on the grill. So I had an apple cinnamon sandwich. Let's see how it tastes. Not bad. Guess what my favorite vegetable in the world is? Broccoli! Okay, so yesterday we went to the dump to... What is that? Oh, never mind. We went to the dump to drop some stuff off in our truck, like just garbage and whatnot, and I saw this thrown out, you know, the machines that they put on garage doors to open them up. And so what I did, and I saw the chain for it, and I thought, hey, that could possibly fit on a bicycle. So what I did is I took it apart at the junkyard. I asked the dude who owned it, of course, and I got all this chain completely from the garage door opening thing, and we're gonna use this salvaged chain on our bikes, so that we probably won't have to buy bike chain for a really, really long time just because of the salvage. People should really look at what they're throwing away before they throw it away, because some stuff could be reused, such as this chain from the garage door machine. Just to show you how long this chain is, I took the tape measure out and I laid out the chain on my back porch, and my measuring tape is about 5 meters long. The chain's longer than 5 meters by like estimated like 70 centimeters short, so it's like almost 6 meters long worth of chain, which was used for a garage, but now is going to be used for bikes. So what I did to prevent the erosion of this chain is I put it into a small container and put a little bit of motor oil in with it to prevent like rust and whatnot.
Okay, don't film me.
Alright, a 25-year-old can of beer. Never been opened before. Let's open it.
A 25-year-old can of beer.
Toothy's Drought. Never heard of it.
Draft.
Drought. Wait, not draft.
And it's
Tweez.
Alright, let's do this.
who's gonna taste it?
Not me.
Not me.
I'll try it.
I don't even like beer.
Exploded a little bit.
Oh, dear. You know what you should have done? So you
No.
should have refrigerated it first.
Well, it's a bit late now. Bozo. Smells like beer.
It does.
What's it taste like?
Beer.
Not good, obviously.
Let me try.
No, it's
Yeah.
good. I spat it out because it's 25 years old. I don't want to have like food poisoning. You try it.
That's actually not. Yeah.
That's how you smell.
It's good.
Yeah.
Very much.
So the moral of this is, don't drink beer that has been open for
moral
25
of this
years.
story is you can't trust the system, man.
True.